Guys, this is part 2 of the big storm. I forgot to put the description on the other one, so if you see it, it should look like this. I forgot to add the description and everything. I'm so sorry. I was too excited to show you this whole thing. As you can see, it's coming up to us. It's very scary. You see it through my eye. Probably can't really see it through my eye, but if you were here, it'd be terrifying. I just got done taking a bath, so yeah. It's a little bit gloomy today, but really, oh my gosh. Oh, wow, okay. I'm kind of scared. So guys, this is part 2 of the big storm. So follow me on Snapchat. If you want to know my Snapchat code, I'll put it in the description. Well, yeah, I gotta find it, my Snapchat thing, and then I'll put it in the description. Well, my name thing is German Shepherd Girl, if you want to know that. My actual name is, well, the name for my Snapchat thing is German Shepherd Girl, because you saw my German Shepherd. Oh my gosh, that's the inside of my other videos. Well, see you guys. It's really, really windy out here too, and it looks really, really scary. So, I'll see you guys later when the storm is done. That will be part 3 of the storm, okay? So, I'll do it when it's hitting us and when it's really, really rainy, okay? So the storm is coming. Wow, did you guys just see that? There's major lightning over there. I have to watch it to my eye. I think it'll be coming a little bit. So when the storm is hitting us, I'll do that video of that, which will be part 3 of the storm, the big storm. I'll put storm in capital letters, and it should look like this if it's the first one, because I forgot. Oh my gosh. That was, oh my gosh. Ah, lightning bolt! Ah, funny, I was kidding. I'm sorry, I just see our trampoline is strapped down, so it won't blow away or anything like the last time did at our other house, you know. It kind of went way over there in my yard. Maybe in the neighborhood that I'm really precious light spot. Scary lightning everywhere. Well, see you guys in part 3 of the big storm. Oh my gosh, it's moving. You see it? Right there. It's moving. Oh my gosh, I can hear thunder. Maybe you'll be able to hear it if you turn up the volume really, really loud. But, guys, see you in part 3 of the big storm.